And then someone helped him, and someone saw him and said, "Help!" Until the dog is here. "Hello, I'm gonna help the dog," the duck said. The penguin, the captain said, "Oh, thank you. This is my grandpa. Help him." The duck said, "Okay." Started fixing his hurt. "I'm done," the duck said. The captain said, "Thank you so much." The captain says,
Pakita diri ang naong sa duck kay dili makita na nagtalikod siya.
The duck says, "Well, you're welcome."
Nya paguman ni mong istorya ipatubang diri sa duck para makita sa tao.
And then the story ends with the helpful little
Ana-ana Nya, sige istorya na.
"Hello, I'm Mr. Duck, and I am the helpful little duck who saved the little dog." And this is the captain.
Doraemon. Si Doraemon man na.
This is
a Doraemon.
This is Doraemon. "Hello, I'm the captain of the army." "Yes, this is the captain. And we are friends." And his uncle is the long dog. "Yes, it's me. I'm old. I'm his dad." Yes, I'm his dad." And then we became best friends. Yes, this is the story about me, made by Rekan and the viewer Ate Bating, and we are the two little helpful ducks. Tan tan na. Wala na. Ikaw.
Sige na, isave na, isave.